So first we're going to be doing a coin flip. We'll decide who gets the first pick, and then they'll also decide who goes first. So we don't want to go first. So whoever gets here, so we'll decide who wants to be able to call it. We'll let you call it. No, heads or tails? First. All right. Heads or tails? Which would you like to call it? This is going to be heads. This will be tails. Tails. Ready? It's heads!
Yeah, I'll pick first, but I want to go last.
Okay, so he's going to go second, and he's going to pick first. So, basically, team, we're going to have 7 stations. We'll go over the stations in a little bit, but it'll be, once you get picked on your team, you're going to have your best player from doing sprints, kettlebell slings. You have to decide on how you want to go in which order, but we'll let you go with the first pick. Who would you like your first pick to be?
My guy right here. We've been talking.
All right. First pick.
Loyal guy.
Now we got the second pick. Who do you like? Okay.
I'm not gonna lie. We don't know what that's like on. So we pick it off.
All right. We got third pick. Who we got with the third pick going on? What are we thinking right now? Second team member.
Hey, be honest, yo. Like you like.
Ask me, I'll tell you. Hey, I'll tell you.
You got the inside scoop.
What? Just tell me what you're looking for your team. Somebody strong, somebody soft.
Hey, we're about to have an NFL clock going on right now. All right, who we thinking? All right. 30 seconds. You ready?
Theo. Yep, come on.
Right back at you. You ready? Who's the next team member joining? You want speed, someone speed, explosiveness. There's going to be a little bit of strength as well at the end. Be ready. I got 10 seconds. All right, 5. All right. Right back at number 3. All right, turn right back at you. They pick number 3. Who are you going to go with? Come on, speed, explosiveness. Who's the most athletic
Number
here?
10, Miles.
All right. Nice. Who do you think
You got somebody. You got somebody.
Okay.
Take it out.
You better come with it, man.
Oh, man.
That's
Juice? I think it's for you getting it. Yeah, so he'll be there. Well, they'll choose what he wants. Who we thinking? Who we got? Remember, we're trying to make it fair, you know, so we'll give him all. Sleeper. That's crazy. Or he's gonna go both.
He's doing both. He's doing both. So you pick one thing that he does. He picks one thing.
So I'm Travis Hunter. So how did we get it even number?
I like that. Alright, so then he's gonna go first.
So you damn near all time.
Yeah. So he's gonna go both ways, right?
Yeah.